Imagine turning your spare change into a life-changing windfall before age 32.
Sounds insane? But millions of Americans aged 18 to 30 are betting on crypto to make that happen. And here's the kicker. They're not reckless gamblers. They're strategic, tech-savvy investors transforming finance as we know it. Gen Z investors today, ages 18 to 29, are 4 times more likely to own cryptocurrency than a retirement account. 42% own crypto versus only 11% with a 401k. Investing.com, Money Fortune. They jumped into investing at an average age of 19, a full decade earlier than older generations, Barron's New York Post. But here's the twist. Despite 84% agreeing crypto is risky, nearly 65% still plan to invest in 2025 funds. Societybusiness.ugov.com, Benzinga. What drives such bold confidence in financial danger zones?
Q. Fear of missing out, FOMO, excitement for fast gains, and urgency to break from traditional, slow-growing wealth alternatives. Break pattern with humor. Seriously, why would someone pick crypto over a 401k? Is it peer pressure or peppercoin? Gen Z grew up mobile first. They trust smooth apps like Venmo, Robinhood, Coinbase to manage money. And crypto fits that mobile lifestyle perfectly. Barron's, WashingtonPost.com, Civic Science, MarketWatch.com, Money, LinkedIn.com. No paperwork, no gatekeepers, fast and transparent. They integrate crypto into daily life. 39% of Gen Z spend crypto on gaming, 36% on travel or everyday purchases. Cointelegraph.com. With crushing student debt and sky-high housing costs, many avoid traditional careers and aim for early financial independence. 60% expect to break free from 9 to 5 before 32, turning to investing and side hustles instead. MarketWatch.com. Crypto, especially meme coins, is seen by some as their shot at the American dream, a chance to turn a few $100 into thousands fast. WashingtonPost.com. Gen Z doesn't blindly dive in. They research. They acknowledge risk. 84% see crypto as high risk, yet 65% still plan to invest. 2025, Benzinga. Many allocate a modest 5 to 10% of their portfolio to crypto, balancing ambition with caution. Investing.com. They lean on AI bots and tools. 67% of Gen Z traders used at least one AI crypto bot in Q2 2025. iInvest.com. Pattern interrupt with question. Wait, a bot trades better than your cousin's hot tip? Mind blown. Cliffhanger transition. But that's not all. There's a bigger reason crypto is reshaping the entire U.S. financial system. Next section dives in. Gen Z's demand for transparency, autonomy, and decentralization is influencing regulators. In mid-2025, the U.S. passed the Genius Act, a bipartisan stablecoin law with audit standards and reserve backing, signaling broader acceptance of crypto infrastructure. Blockchain.news, en.wikipedia.org. The Trump administration's push to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve underlines shifting national policy and Gen Z-driven market momentum. Nasdaq.com, prnewswire.com. What it means for you. You're not just watching crypto. You could be part of a generation rewriting what wealth looks like. But remember, high potential comes with volatility. Educate yourself, start small, diversify, use tools wisely, and don't chase every meme coin. Final cliffhanger. Want to know how to pick a meme coin but avoid the one that tanks? In our next video, I'll break down a reliable framework that could save you thousands or make them. Closing call to action with urgency. Subscribe and hit the bell. This generation is creating new rules in finance, and you don't want to be watching from the sidelines. Your smart move today shapes your wealthy tomorrow.